Okay, we're now going to deal with the file advanced filter temp. And we're going to show you how to use the concept of criterion range to basically pick out any subset of a database or a spreadsheet and paste it somewhere else. So let's suppose, going back to our makeup data, we want to look at every row in our database where Jen or Emily sold foundation in the first 6 months of 2005, and the average price was at least $3.20. So that's a pretty complicated query, or basically subset of the data. So we set up a criterion range that will pick that out. So we need to do Jen. Okay, we need to say the date is after New Year's Day 2005 and less than or equal to June 30th, 2005. And we want it to be foundation. And remember the trick on the computed criteria? It should be, we'd say, equals, it would be L5 divided by K5 greater than or equal to 320. Now that's not true, that's fine, but it will copy down when we set this as our criterion range. So now just about everything's going to be the same, so I'm going to drag it down to save a little time. Now this needs to be Emily. Well, dragging it down messes things up because Excel thinks we're going to copy stuff. So this should be 2005. This should be 2005. But that's a good lesson. When you drag it down, it may not behave the way you think. This I knew should be L5 divided by K5. Sorry. And then the product foundation, that worked out fine. All right. So now I'll make this the criterion range. Well, we'll see what we do. We go anywhere inside our data, and let's insert a blank column so it won't sort of pick up this stuff up here. Go inside your data, go data, advanced, under filter advanced. Okay, filter to another location. See, it's got the list range. Now the criteria range here will be this. Okay, so everything where Jennifer in the first 6 months of 2005 sells for at least $3.20 foundation, or Emily will be counted. Say copy to, we'll put somewhere. Now, if you wanted only a unique record, the first time something occurs, you could check unique records, but that's it. Okay, so we have found, who would have known there were exactly 4 transactions, 2 with Emily and 2 with Jen, that in the first 6 months of 2005 sold foundation. And you can, if you look at the average price here, what do you get? Let's just check that it fit the criteria we wanted. And it does. Each of those prices is at least $3.20. So that's a very powerful way to filter data from one database to another place if you want to do further analysis on that data. When we learn the table feature in Excel, we'll learn another way you can sort of pull data outside of a table or database, but this is a much more powerful method, a little bit more complicated, however.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.